Starting at temperature 300 Kelvin, 1 mole of a diatomic gas is first adiabatically compressed from volume V1 to V2 is equal to V1 by 16. Now see, it is given that a gas is of ideal diatomic, means gamma is equal to, they have given as 1.4, which is equal to 7 by 5. Na? Now, here this is first state in which temperature is given as T1 is equal to 300 Kelvin and volume is V1. Now, it is adiabatically compressed, so the final volume becomes V1 by 16 and temperature is not given here. Now, this is an adiabatic process in which Q is constant. Then it is then allowed to expand isobarically to volume 2V2, means here pressure is constant. Pressure constant means expanded to volume 2V2, means V3 is equal to 2 times of V1 by 16. If all the processes are quasi-static, then the final temperature, let's say final temperature T3, it is asked to find the value of T3. So from adiabatic compression, we can use adiabatic process equation as temperature into volume to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. So this T1 into V1 to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 into V to the power gamma minus 1. So T1 is 300, V1 is V1, 1.4 minus 1 is equal to 0.4, T2 we don't know, this is V1 by 16 to the power 0.4. So V1 cancel out. So T2 can be written as 300 into 16 to the power 16 to the power zero point 0.4, right? 0.4. Acha, how to solve this? 16 to the power 0.4. Acha, 300 into 16 to the power. How we can write it? See, 0.4 means we can write it like 4 by 10, 2 by 5. So this is equal to 2 by 5. So T2 is equal to 16 ka square. 16 ka square 256 का power 1 by 5. अच्छा, it is difficult to solve this ना. 256 to the power 1 by 5. How to deal with this? How to deal with this? Okay, we'll do one thing. We will put as it is and we'll see in the next step. Thus, this is the value of T2 here. Now, in isobaric process, we know volume is directly proportional to temperature. So V2 by V1 is V2 by V1 is equal to T2 by T1. So final volume is 2V1 by 16. Initial volume is V1 by 16. Final temperature is T3. Initial temperature T2. T2 means 300 into 256 to the power 1 by 5. So this is cancel out. So T3 is equal to 300 into 2 will be 600 into 256 to the power 1 by 5. अरे बाप रे. अच्छा, it is an integer type question. Then we must solve this. So see, 256 to the power 1 by 5 means 0.2 is approximately 3.03, is approximately 3. So 600 into 3 will be 1800 Kelvin. So the answer is temperature, final temperature is 1800 Kelvin, right?